Hi, we're Tiger Team 6 and we're here to talk about the Flight Centre TravelMate phone application. Launching an online application is low cost and builds brand awareness and trust as Flight Centre expands its physical presence in Asia. Flight Centre's expansion to Asia needs to focus on tech-savvy middle class. The proposed solution is an app that connects other travellers, builds trust, and improves Flight Centre's value proposition in Asia. Trends in social media dictate social media is not only popular, it's expected by Asian-century customers. With the traditional pay-per-click advertising model dead, social media is actually taking over.
We got three options of country to implement the social media strategy, which are Singapore, India, and China. Then we did some data analysis, which was based on web access, smartphone usage, online sales revenue growth, local barriers, cultural barriers, competitors' saturation, and their usage of social media. Based on the analysis, we chose India as the target.
Based on statistics, the Indian economy has been portraying strong indicators of growth, with a similar trend in the travel and tourism industry. With the third largest number of internet users in the world, India already has a high percentage of social media presence, and with the government of India recently partnering with Facebook to increase the rural connectivity, this trend is only set to grow. The major competitors in the markets are MakeMyTrip, Yatra, and ClearTrip, with combined market share of 85%. With an average of 6 million unique visitors per month, the three companies have well-established applications in iOS, Android, and Windows. The companies are using basic social media strategy with a medium level of activity.
As mentioned, the proposed solution is to create an app, the Flight Centre TravelMate, where the users not only can book trips, get information, and collect points by sharing their experience, but also connect with other travelers. Currently, the main competitors provide social media platforms where the customers can book trips, and the apps are mainly an extension of the online presence. We believe that connecting travelers to each other is a way for Flight Centre to differentiate from the competitors, and that it can build trust, loyalty, and increase brand awareness. This is an example of the app design. We want it to be really simple and easy to use. And this is an example of a process map for the possible action, connect with other travelers. And this is an example of the action, book a hotel. We have identified a few potential risks, but we believe that by being aware of them, we can address them in the strategy. Since our research implicates this can be a great idea, we believe that launching the app is the way to go for Flight Centre. This app is designed to appeal to the young, tech-savvy future generation, who we believe will be the major drivers of the Asian-centric growth. The next step for this project will be to develop the idea further and to test it within the target market through prototyping and further customer research. Also, an implementation strategy needs to be done in order to make sure the idea is launched in the best way for the target market. Thank you very much for your attention.